The typewriter effects inside Premiere Pro. Select the Type tool, and then click once in the frame to get this red square. Then inside the Effects Control panel, enable keyframes for source text. Select Text Layer again, and then type your first letter. Then we're going to skip 3 frames between each letter. You can do this by clicking this icon 3 times. You can't use the arrows because you're in type mode. After that, you can type the next letter, and then again skip 3 frames. And we will repeat this until the work is finished. Then center the text. And now the typewriter effect is finished. If you want, you can speed it up or slow it down. You could use the rate stretch tool. You can find it here. Or use the R on your keyboard. Then simply at the end of the text layer, drag it to the left or the right to increase or decrease the speed.